Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel CLASS online classes. Today once again I am Vidyasagar is present in front of class 9 to discuss subject physics with all of you. So please like the channel, share and subscribe it. Now let us start the discussions. In this video I am going to explain about the speeds, velocity and accelerations, and I shall also discuss what is the differences between them. So please let us start the discussions. As in the previous video I have told you what is speeds, what is velocity and what is accelerations. In this video I am going to explain about very important things, that is we have to compare here how we can differentiate between speeds and velocity. So you have seen about the body that is moving along the road in a fixed directions. We say that the body is traveling per unit time, and we derived for it a physical quantity that is called as speeds. So we can say that speed is the travel distance per unit time, but if there is change in the directions and we have add to this directions with the change in distance, with the travel distance we also includes the directions of the movement, then we say it as the displacement traveled by the body. So displacement per unit time is called as velocity, and the rate of change of velocity, how fast body is moving towards a fixed directions, how slow body is stopping towards fixed directions, then this is called as accelerations. So understood please, the rate of travel distance is called as speeds per unit time, per unit time is called as speeds, and the rate of covered displacement per unit time is called as velocity, and the rate of change of velocity is called as accelerations. Speeds and velocity have same units, but units of acceleration is meter per second square, and we can say that for numerical points of view we apply this formula to calculate speeds, that is distance by time, and we apply this formula to calculate velocity, displacement per unit time, and velocity by time gives us accelerations. Now this speed is only positive. The value of magnitudes of a speed is only positive. It cannot be negative or zero. It may be zero, but the value of magnitudes of velocity may be positive, may be negative or zero, right? So these are the main differences. The magnitude of a speed may be zero or positive, but the magnitude of velocity never be may be positive, negative or zero, and so that we can say that accelerations also may be positive, negative or zero. And you have to note one thing about it: when total distance is equal to total displacement, then the average speed will be equal to average velocity. This happens during the motions of a body along a straight line, not in a circular path, right? And the change and the angle between velocity and acceleration is equal to 0 if the body is moving by increasing its accelerations, right? And the angle between velocity and the acceleration in negative directions, that is called as retardations. So we can say that the angle between velocity and retardations will be equal to just opposite 180 degree. So these things you have to note. Now I am going to solve up problems, just numericals. According to question, here it is given that a farmer moves along the square fields and covers 40 meters in covers its a square boundary in 40 seconds, whose length of one side is equal to 10 meter. Then what is the displacement? Here it is asked. Here we have to find the displacement. The size of the square is given 10 meter and time is given 2 minutes 20 seconds. You should keep it in mind. In 2 minutes 20 seconds, what is the displacement of the farmer along a square field whose side is 10 meter? Understood? So we know that the perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into sides is equal to 40 meter. Understood? Perimeter of this square will be equal to 40 meter. So it completes one round or one laps in 40 meter. And so in 2 minutes 20 seconds, how many round is completed by the farmer? So calculate it. In 2 minutes 20 seconds, there is 140 seconds. 2 minutes 20 seconds, 140 seconds. And the speeds of the farmer is 40 meter in 40 seconds, means 1 meter per second. So in 140 meter he covered in 140 second he covered 140 meter. Then how many round it will be take? So he complete about 1.5 round, because 140 meter by 140 seconds, 40 seconds. In 40 seconds he complete 40 meter. There is one round completed. In one round 40 meter is completed. Then in 140 meter how many round is completed? So 140 by 40, right? Please look at here. In 2 minutes 20 seconds, how many meter he can complete? He can cover. So in 2 minutes 20 seconds he can travel 140 meter. Then 140 meter, in 140 meter how many round? There is 3.5 round. Understood? You have to calculate it by using unitary methods. So he has started from point 1 left, point 1, then after 140 he reached the point C. Point A. He started from point A. अगर यहाँ से वो घूमना शुरू किया तो एक राउंड में वो बिल्कुल यहाँ आएगा, दूसरा राउंड में भी यहाँ आएगा, तीसरा राउंड में भी यहाँ आएगा और फिर 3.5 राउंड मीन्स वो यहाँ पहुँच जाएगा। ए से अगर चलना शुरू किया तो सी पर पहुँच जाएगा। अब सी पर पहुँचने के बाद हम डिस्प्लेसमेंट कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे? तो डिस्प्लेसमेंट के लिए हम ये ट्रायंगल लेते हैं ए बी सी। ए बी सी में ए सी क्या हो गया? ए सी हमारा डायगोनल हो गया। तो पाइथागोरस रूल का उपयोग करेंगे डिस्प्लेसमेंट निकालने के लिए। पाइथागोरस रूल से हम लोग इसका डिस्प्लेसमेंट कैसे निकालते हैं? perpendicular square plus base square is equal to hypotenuse square. So AC is equal to under root AB square plus BC square. It is known by you. So by putting the value, we know that AB is equal to 10 meter and BC is equal to 10 meter. So 10 square plus 10 square, we get 200 meters. And after calculating, we get 10 root 2. The value of root 2 is 1.414. So put here 10 into 1.414, we get by multiplying 14.14414. 14.14 meter. It is the maximum displacement. अगर वो इस कॉर्नर से चलना नहीं स्टार्ट करते, वो मिडिल पॉइंट से चलना स्टार्ट किए, मान लीजिए कि अगर इनिशियल पॉइंट उनका ई हो जाता है, तो फाइनल पॉइंट क्या होगा? एफ होगा। क्योंकि 3 राउंड में तो 3rd राउंड कंप्लीट करने के बाद ई पर पहुंचेंगे, उसके बाद वो क्या करेंगे? ई से फिर हाफ चक्कर वो लगाएंगे और हाफ चक्कर लगाने के बाद एफ पर आएंगे। ध्यान से इसको समझिएगा। नहीं समझ में आता है तो कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखिएगा, मैं आपको फिर से इसे समझा दूंगा। फिर यहाँ से चलने के बाद वो एफ पर पहुँचे तो हाफ राउंड हो गया। अब इसका डिस्प्लेसमेंट क्या होता है? शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस होता है, सीधे यहाँ से हम यहाँ के बीच की दूरी निकाल देंगे। तो यहाँ के बीच की दूरी क्या होगा? क्योंकि ये 10 मीटर है तो ये भी 10 मीटर होगा, इसलिए ये लेंथ ऑफ EF जो होगा वही हमारा मिनिमम डिस्प्लेसमेंट होगा। और ये क्या होगा? ये होगा हमारा 10 मीटर। और ये डिस्प्लेसमेंट क्या होगा? मिनिमम होगा, मिनिमम डिस्प्लेसमेंट। ठीक। So these are the solutions. I hope you have understood it. In the next video I shall meet again. Till that I want to say goodbye, thank you, see you. अगर इसमें कोई दिक्कत हो प्लीज़ तो आप इसको राइट इन द कमेंट बॉक्स और समझने का प्रयास कीजिए। बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट प्रॉब्लम है और बहुत सिंपल है। Only using your concept you can find the answers. And one formula you have to remember: the displacement is calculated by the Pythagoras rule, right, in a right angle triangle. So we use this rule here to find out the right answer exactly. So please, I hope you have understood all the things and try to understand. If you face any difficulties, then write in the comment box. I must solve that. I must remove your difficulties. I am sure. So today I am going to stop my explanation. In the next video we shall meet again. Till that I want to say goodbye, thank you, see you.